What is up, guys? Um, this is Kiki here. We're starting the week off with our new daily uploads. So, starting off with the US dollar index, our analysis, we start them on the daily 4 hour, 1 hour, and then possibly get that lovely entry on the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and possibly maybe the the 1 minute. So, starting today, like I said, we wanted a 50% retracement on the dollar and then take it down lower. Maybe the target, not for today, but maybe Monday, Tuesday, get the highest reading. Maybe take out this liquidity here, enter into this gap, and then tank the dollar a bit lower and get it to this level here. Remember, I posted the weekly outlook, so feel free to go and do that and do it. So hopefully, yeah, uh, take it here maybe with some durable good news. Maybe take it up and do it here, and then start thinking about taking the dollar down. So yeah, possibly that's what I'm looking at. There's some balance over here. The structure is broken. This needs to be rebalanced. So I'm kind of thinking like that. Maybe along over here for the dollar, and you know that possibly it's a short term on gold. So what's going on gold, guys? Uh, Pretty much the same thing. I'm thinking that it will tank a bit down. The structure is broken here with this, so maybe a little bit of a retracement, but don't hold your breath too much about getting gold, selling gold just because it's on all-time highs levels over here. Just keep on trading because after July you don't expect gold to be sold, but maybe because of the factors that are around this year, with your elections and everything, yeah, that's about it. So basically, as you can see, the structure here is lovely broken, and then after the structure here broken, you would want it maybe to take out this liquidity, run this liquidity down, and then hopefully get it here, and then on a Tuesday, if it gives you the low of the week here, or maybe time this other block here, take it up. Yeah, that's what I'll be looking at for gold, GBP, JPY, giving you something to sniff at on the cross pairs, because that's what moves sometimes when the US dollar index is consolidating. So as you can see here, the daily really isn't giving us that much of an entry or of a structure point, but if you use your any strategy, that's up to you. So what I would likely do is that I would want it to come here first, and this other block, and maybe this relative equalize to be taken, but I would want it to come here first and then take it down. So that's what I would do, because this structure here is broken, and I would maybe possibly on the 1 hour get it here. I'm not gonna give you certain levels, but you should be using your own strategy. But I'll be, if I were to trade this, I would be looking at entering somewhere here at the 198.23. Be careful, because you know that we are not using the same brokers, so try and do your own thing. So basically what we do, we start the markets here. So what we want on GBP, as you saw on the weekly on the weekly outlook, we wanted to retrace and then give us a level. So I was timing this gap over here, see if it's that weak, and then but the first one maybe to target 50% over here, uh, possibly maybe on a Tuesday get it on a low here on this gap. That's why, so that I can get the end, so that we can get the entry to take it up to these highs. So yeah, that's about it on GBP USD. As you can see, this imbalance here needs to be rebalanced. So something like that, and maybe if it gives us a very low of the week, maybe something here on a Tuesday, because there's news on Tuesday also. But I'll keep on updating you about that as the near time that we're coming. I'm not gonna talk about tomorrow's event when we're focusing on today. We're just focusing on today, and then yeah, that's it. And then as you can see on the 1 hour, there's some balance here. Maybe some would say it's rebalanced, but in order for you to take this lower, I think you need a shift. You need this structure here broken. If you can break this, then you should be looking for shorts. You should be looking for your shorts. Maybe do something like this, yeah. Then break the structure here, and then look for your shorts. Something else. I've done a teaching about this too, and also I've done everything about central bankers dealers range. Feel free to watch the videos. So yeah, I use this tool here. It's called ICT Everything. So it has standard deviations, it has the flout, it has the Asian range, it has the CBDR range. So yeah, that's possibly what you want. And then you know that in order for you to not uh, expose yourself and and risk what you need to do is that you count one, two, three standard deviation. If it's below the standard deviation of three, then you're not looking at that asset as a buy anymore. If you want to take it up, you're not looking at it as a sell anymore. If it comes to three standard deviation up, so yeah, just remember to rewind that, and that it will sink in quite a little bit. Now, looking at the euro, you look at the daily. So here, basically, I would just target this for the week. I would just target this other block here, and maybe possibly 50% of the other block. Maybe that's the low of the week, and maybe that's the divergence we need for keep on taking it higher, like our weekly outlook. So maybe if at best it comes here, give us a very, very low entry, but our range is this and this. So I'm thinking that it's gonna come here first, and then take it up. Best possible scenario, it takes out these two relative equal lows, comes into this gap, then we take it high again. Uh, on the NAS 100, lovely structure by the way on the 4 hour. It's broken this, broken that, so I think it's a quite a bit of a tank down, and then get an entry maybe here, an entry here. But I would love an entry here. But let's go to the daily. I would love an entry here rather than an entry anyway. I would love an entry here. So for Monday, Tuesday, I'm thinking stronger dollar, and then yeah, that's about it. Feel free. This one we got it on CPI on Wednesday, so I will be doing a lot of analysis of it maybe tomorrow or Wednesday. So if you're an early riser, feel free to mark up the Audi USD. Hopefully you find this one insightful, and it helps you with your trading. Yeah, good luck and good trading for today. Goodbye, guys. Peace.